So this is another hairstyle with no heat curls. That's how I plait my hair and I slept overnight. So let's see what the curls are gonna be looking like. That looks very pretty, look at that. I haven't put any curling balms or anything at all, or hairspray, so that's how naturally the hair curls if you leave it overnight. Okay, look at that. This curls look so natural. It looks like beach wave hairstyle, so it's beautiful. Look at the back. That is very pretty. I'm really happy, guys. So that's it, my hairstyle is done. So there is another option for you. If you don't want to damage your hair, just do that. Sleep overnight with this kind of plaits, and that's the hairstyle you're going to get. I slept overnight with this braid. Let's unbraid it and see what we can do with our hair, because I don't have so much time, to be honest, in the morning, because I start doing my makeup. And look at that. Seriously, how beautiful is that? The curls. Look at that. So this is a beautiful way when you wake up in the morning, and that's it. You just unbraid your hair and that's the way you can go to work. That's all you have to do, guys.